Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about growing coriander. First, we will divide the whole coriander seeds into two halves. You can easily do this by placing the seeds on a rough surface and rubbing them with a brick or something similar. After that, sprinkle fungicide powder on the coriander seeds, then lightly spray them with water and mix them well. Then let them dry under a fan. In the meantime, we will prepare the soil for planting. For this, you will need 2 parts loose soil, 1 part cow dung manure, approximately 10% coco peat and 1 teaspoon of fungicide powder. First, mix the fungicide powder into the moist coco peat. Then, mix everything together thoroughly. For the fungicide, you can use Trichoderma biofungicide, which is very common fungicide. It is easily available at most seed shop or fertilizer stores. To grow coriander, you can use shallow containers or trays like this one, which should have plenty of drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging and allow excess water to drain properly. Fill the container with soil and then sprinkle the coriander seeds on top. Try to sprinkle the seeds evenly. After that, cover the seeds with a thin layer of the same soil. Don't add a very thick layer of the soil, just enough to cover the seeds. After this, water it and place it in a location that receives full sunlight. Do not grow coriander in a shady or partial shaded area. Growing it in such condition causes the coriander seeds to germinate weakly, resulting in a weak seedling cannot stand upright and eventually rot and die. You need to keep this in mind to ensure that none of your coriander plants die after sprouting. Additionally, you need to be careful with watering for a few days after germination. Water only when necessary. For example, as you need, see here the topsoil is dry, so we will water in now. Excessive watering, which keep the soil constantly moist, can cause the stem to rot. Therefore, water only when needed and avoid overwatering. Friends, coriander is primarily a winter crop, but nowadays it's grown year round. If you keep a few things in mind, you too can grow coriander on your rooftop all year long. For example, when growing coriander in the summer, you need to protect it from direct sunlight. You can place it under a green net. Similarly, when growing coriander in the winter, it should be grown in full sunlight and at night. When dew falls, cover it with plastic, or if you have a poly house, you can keep it inside the poly house. Friends, this is the third update and it's been 37 days. It will be ready for harvest in 1 to 2 days. However, it can be harvested now. It's almost ready. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.